The sovereign contagion spares no generation, and I think that senior sovereigns are the most difficult to deal with. One, they're already set in their ways, and two, if you have to use force, it never looks good on camera, and unfortunately, this is one of those.
So the reason I pulled you over is your plates. I'm not able to get them to come back or anything. May I take it so I can see it? Is that okay?
So if you look really quickly on this car, this flag here is by design and intentionally for the officer to likely to see. This is the distressed U.S. flag, very common on sovereign vehicles. If they have it on both sides, they know that officers approach on the passenger and driver side. So this is something to key in on.
You're going to want to call the sheriff?
Okay, can I see the paper you were trying to let me see? Is that okay?
Anything about me or anything about this car or anything about what's going on?
I don't know. What's with the car? Okay. What's going on with the car? Okay.
I'm not on my way to get breakfast in 5 minutes. I'll give this to you. And you can check it out.
Okay.
But then you can do what you want.
Okay.
I'm not getting out of this car.
Okay.
And you can throw any paperwork you want, but then
Okay. I didn't ask you to get out of the car though, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm trying. You know what?
I'm sorry. I haven't met you before, so I don't know what you're.
I've been dealing with this for 5 years.
Okay.
I have every piece of paper known to man.
Okay.
That shows that nobody has jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
So here.
Am I able to see that? Thank you so much.
That's what I'm accredited.
Okay.
You own the Village of Fox City and your police department.
Okay.
$30 million. So,
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's what's going on. I'm so tired of this.
Right.
I know my rights. I know exactly what I've done for 3 years. Now that number that you see.
Okay.
In fact, here, let me give you that too, because.
Is your name Leon? I just want to make sure I've got the right. It's the highlight. Okay. Okay.
This is what that number means. You see this number? That's now you know.
What number?
You said that number this number that you're talking about is this man that I gave on this date.
Okay.
Told him my jurisdiction.
This person?
No.
Sorry.
This is the tracking number.
Oh, I gotcha.
That's the tracking number.
So you see, this is Illinois in December. The officer, gloveless, standing outside the car, dealing with this nonsense of this paperwork that means absolutely nothing. Becomes a challenge if the officer has to engage with the hands because it's obviously cold.
It was their duty and obligation to tell everybody who I was. And they threw me in jail for 18 days. Okay? I'm not happy.
And 18 days in Lake County?
In Kenosha.
In Kenosha.
$30 million lane too. You want to see more? I'm sorry. I never wanted this interaction. These are all the $30 million liens I have, okay?
That's a lot.
Well, and you know what?
Do you live in Colorado
You
then?
can't get liens like that on bogus stuff.
Okay. Do you live in Colorado? Because I see it all says Colorado.
I got to get going, so please, go check it out. Let me get out of here. Or arrest me. Do what you got to do.
Okay. Do you have any type of identification or a name or anything?
Let's go find out who I am.
I believe that the officer is just kind of playing along with this. Sometimes we do that because we're waiting for an additional unit, but I don't believe that she's buying into this paperwork, but she's being extremely nice, kind, and polite, which is important if they have a tactical reason to do that.
You know what? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Calm down, okay?
I appreciate that very much. Thank you. You've been very cordial so far.
Jurisdiction is. That's the problem.
Okay.
Here's the laws are up in there right now.
Okay.
Go see it. Everybody knows about it, including the governor on Friday.
Okay.
So these are the laws. You can just look at them. Or you want to take a picture?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I can look up the laws. That's not an issue. Okay. Do you have insurance on the car at all or no?
Actually,
like car insurance? Sorry. That's what I meant.
You know what? And now that you asked me, I'm also indemnified. This is beyond Eddie. This is beyond insurance companies. Okay.
Okay.
There.
May I have that?
Who I am. Yes, that's my American State National Credential.
Okay.
Now you might want to read this part. It says, "Do not detain and do not interrogate."
Easily attainable on the internet. Still means nothing.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay.
Well, you know what? I'm going to call the sheriff here in a minute. So.
Okay. Can you just give me 1 second and I'll come back and talk to you?
You know what? I'm calling them.
Okay.
That's my rights.
Okay. Totally understandable. If you're what?
I'm calling the sheriff to take care of you people, okay? To tell you
Okay.
who I am.
Can you just give me 1 second? Is that okay? Can you just hang on for 1 second for me? Thank you so much.
So we see a line of police cars back there and officers already set up. To me, it appears that this was a tactic that she's going to be incredibly polite, get his temperature for how he's behaving, and then make the decision and then move up and decide how to engage him or what the ultimate call will be with him.
Will you not roll the window down at all?
You did on that side.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Gang. I need you to turn your car off and step out. Why not? I need you to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order. Step out of the car.
Do you have an injured party?
Pennsylvania versus Mims. Get out of the car now, or I'm gonna take you out.
Get out of the car. Hey, Leon. Leon, do not put your car in drive.
We can see the sergeant chevrons through the window of the person that's speaking to the driver. So the sergeant is the one that's engaging right now.
I'll let you make as many calls at our police department. Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
I demand the sheriff. I don't know who you are. I want 3
Are you
pieces
able
of
to mock it there?
identification from you. Do you have 3 pieces of identification?
I'm gonna break your window, okay, sir? I don't want to do that. I need you to step out of the car.
I need the sheriff here, then I'll talk.
We'll call him at the station, but you need to get out. We can't do that out here.
So again, the reason why they say the sheriff is because the sheriff is an elected official, and they believe the sheriff has the ultimate authority over everyone around.
Oh, is this the sheriff's office? I need the sheriff right now. I want to.
Sir, step out.
I'm not saying anything more. I want the sheriff.
Okay, step out of the vehicle. You don't have to say anything.
Look at the positioning of the female officer holding onto the window and looking inside. The subject is saying they need the sheriff. If this becomes a deadly force situation, look at the horrific crossfire that we have from this configuration of officers and the subject in the vehicle.
I want to make this as quick as possible for you.
I need the sheriff.
Step out of the car,
I need
or
the
I'm
sheriff.
going to break your window.
I need the sheriff.
You
right
do
now.
not want me to break your window.
No, I don't. I want you to get the sheriff.
I want you to step out of the car. I'm giving you multiple.
4 Fox Lake police officers here.
Leon?
I don't know who they are. I need a sheriff.
You just said it.
State Park Road and State Park Road, Route 12.
Leon, I'm gonna break your window.
Because they're ready to break the window. They all have guns. My life is threatened. I demand a sheriff. Right
Leon,
now.
Leon,
My life is threatened.
Unlock the door.
With guns.
He says his life is threatened. So to what degree is he willing to protect his life if he says he doesn't know who these people are? We know that there are cases where sovereigns feel that they can engage law enforcement with force when they feel that they're being kidnapped or taken out of their vehicle unlawfully in their minds.
I can take this
I'm
down
on State Park Road, just off the
because it's down some.
You can just pull it down?
The squad cars
Go
here.
for it.
Immediately. Here, okay, they're wrecking my car. They're wrecking my
Jesus.
car.
You got it.
Okay.
Go.
They're wrecking my car.
No, stop.
Leon, open the
Just
door.
open the door, brother.
You're under arrest. Act like an adult.
Come on.
No, they're actually breaking my car.
Hey, did this happen last time, Leon? Come on.
The police, Fox Lake police.
Hey!
Get out of here.
He's got his foot on the gas. Get your arm out.
Get out of the car.
I'm glad this is all. Are your cameras on? Oh, great.
Your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Stop reaching around.
Oh, yeah, you guys are just looking for a reason to shoot me, I'm sure.
No, we're not. We're trying to take you into custody. We told you multiple times you're under arrest, Leon.
I need either a council law here.
Don't
Whoa.
knee my hand.
You're in my vehicle. You're in my
Yeah,
property.
rightfully so.
No, you're not. You're not rightfully.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Hands on your back. Don't tense them up. Don't grab my hand. Don't grab my hand.
So you denied me a sheriff? You denied American State National Sheriff?
Stop.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, or hurt me, Leon?
You know what? No, I don't. Hey, wait a minute. I got to get
Stop.
that paperwork. I have to get that
Go
paperwork.
grab it.
I need the. All right, the big folder and the small folder on the seat.
Okay.
Before I
Get
get in,
in.
can I see it?
No.
Because we're gonna catalog
leg.
every piece that's in there that I tried to offer you.
We're gonna photograph everything.
Oh, good. That's great. I'm glad. All my paperwork?
Watch your leg.
All, everything that's in the car.
Leon,
I need that
leg.
paperwork now. That's
Thank
my.
you.
That's my.
watch your face.
Do you want your passport also? I grabbed the ID that you had with your paperwork, but do you want your passport as well? It's in there?
Yeah, please.
Okay. I'm going to put it in the big black binder. It's with your phone, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
I looked at the booking paperwork for this. This guy's 71 years old, a septuagenarian. You would think that at this point in life, he would know better. And I also have some things that I have to say regarding the tactics of the officers, because it took an extremely long period of time for them to enter this vehicle. There's a sergeant on the scene. Come up with a tactical plan on the approach. Who's going to breach? Use the proper tool to breach. The best way is with the window punch. And let's get into tactical positions to where we don't expose ourselves potentially to gunfire. And to everyone else who thinks that this could potentially work, guess what? $10 on the internet, 30 minutes of studying on the internet, and you too can end up in the back of a police car just like this guy. Ultimately, the subject was booked for suspended driver license, resisting, and battery on a PO. If you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, and there should be a video on your screen. Click on that video if you'd like to see more content just like this.